Introducing the district cooling system with thermal energy storage. This is a typical conventional chiller plant system where the building is having their own chiller plant for the CHW production system. With the district cooling system, a centralized chiller plant will be supplying chilled water to several buildings. With the economic of scale of the DCS, the customer will be able to enjoy the saving of capital costs, reduce equipment, reduce electrical income, and better kilowatt per refrigerant time. KJ Group, incorporated since 1984, currently is having more than 180 employees, mainly engineering and technical staff. KJ Group is also ISO 9001 and OHSAS 18001 certified to ensure highest quality of delivery. KJ Group is capable of providing you a one-stop EPCC plus O&M service. E. Design and engineering. P. Procurement of the equipment and material. C. Construct. C. Commissioning the system in order to meet the design criteria. O&M. Guarantee the performance of the DCS according to the initially promised design performance with long-term O&M agreement. In order to achieve far more efficient system, KJ Group is able to incorporate thermal energy storage system in the DCS, where the DCS is storing the cooling energy during night time when the energy cost is low and discharge the energy when the energy cost is high. This is able to reduce the energy cost easily by 20 to 30%. For the existing building or DCS, KJ Group is also capable to conduct building energy diagnosis, which will outline the utilities consumption map and focus on a high consumption area and provide facilities management proposal with guarantee of the energy cost reduction. KJ Group.